April 29th to the 6th, I made $16.22. $1,622.90 to be exact. Come on. I'm killing this Uber shit, bro. Wagwan. Welcome back to our next one.
Onedon.
Drive safe, if not end up in a safe. People, yo, I miss y'all. It's been a while. It's been about 5-6 days now, just roughly about a week. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys how I made $1,600 in 1 week from doing Uber Eats. Simple, just driving around in my vehicle, on my own timing, my own vehicle, you know, and I'm making 16 bills a week. Come on, bro. You can't beat that. You cannot go around that. Every week I make nothing less than $1,000, and that's no cap. No cap. I'm gonna show you right now. That's no cap, bro. I make $1,000 the minimum every week. But before I go ahead and show you that, you know, for those who don't know what Uber Eats is, Uber Eats is you know, it's a online food delivering service where the customer pay for the food beforehand. So your job is to just go and, you know, pick the food up and drop it off. Just as simple as that. It could never get easy as that, to be quite exact. So let me show you here. So from May 6th to May 13th, as you can see here, I made $1,500 in 237 trips. All right, and tips, I got $100 in tips, and promotions is $527. Come on, bro. 15 bills from the 6th to the 13th. Come on, I mean 15 bills from the 6th to the 13th. Come on, I'm not even capping. You won't see this right now on the screen. And then the week before that, April 29th to the 6th, I made $16.22. $1,622.90 to be exact. Come on. I'm killing this Uber shit, bro. I'm killing, and I'm not gonna be selfish. I'm not gonna be the type of guy, oh, I'm making all this money, I'm not putting nobody on. I'm not like that. I'm not a selfish guy. So if you got a car, do Uber Eats right now. I'm telling you, bro, you can make a living off this shit, bro. Cause I sure am. Shit. And let's go back. Let's track back a little bit too. Right? From the 22nd to the 29th. As you can see right here, I made 15 bills. To be exact, $1,562. And that's no cap. The proof is gonna be right there on the screen for you. You can see that I'm killing this shit, bro. Hold on, I'm not even done yet. Hold on. I'm not even done yet. Hold on, I'm not done yet. Let's go back another week. Let's look at April 8th to the 15th now. $1,000. That's for that week. You know? What? I got $60 in tips. Still is good. You know what I mean? April 1st, April 8th. Oh my gosh. This man just killing it, making all the money. I made 13 bills that whole week. So do the math and see how much money I made for that month. Quite a lot, right? I'm not done yet. Okay, from March 25th to April 1st, I made 14 bills, bro. To be exact, $1,419. Come on, bro. Who you know making that amount of money in a week time from their regular 9-to-5 jobs? Tell me, bro. No one. Or if they are making it, getting paid every 2 weeks, so they're not really seeing it until the 2 weeks come. Now you know how I feel, right? I'm not done yet. I'm gonna go back a little more for you. You know what? I'm gonna leave it as that. So now let's go online and make some money, and I'll walk you guys through. And that's the sound that it makes. So you're gonna just sit here and wait for an order to come in. You know, but in the meantime, you know, chop it up with y'all. Yeah. Ooh, I got my hair done and shit. So yeah. So you know, let me drive around a bit. So with Uber now, Uber Eats, you know, as I was saying before, you cannot lose. You know what I mean? You managing your own time. If you're lazy, you gotta make lazy money, right? If you're not lazy, you're gonna make not lazy money. As you guys saw, I was pulling nothing less than $1,000 a week. So what that tell you? I wasn't lazy. And I don't want you to feel like, oh, you can't do it because, you know, you might be in school, or you might have a you know, like a regular 9 to 5 job. You can make it work. You gotta sacrifice. You know, for me, you gotta find a way how you could manage your time better and make shit happen. Yeah, I'm in school full time. You think that's easy? No, it ain't easy, but I find time to make sure that, you know, log on to Uber and get it popping. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, bro, once you got bills to pay, you're gonna have to find the way how to make the money. You know what I mean? So that's for sure. I'm just still waiting for an order to come in so I can show you guys. As you guys can see here, still waiting. Still waiting. So it might take a while for order to come in. That's why, you know, I'm driving around a bit more just to see if when I drive around I can hit a potential hotspot. But I'm gonna get back to you guys when the order come in though. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have an order coming in. ETA is 6 minutes away. Gonna accept. I'm going to over green salad, and that's 6 minutes away, so let's navigate it and get it started. Go. So I'll be there in 6 minutes, and yeah, I don't have a tripod currently to hold the phone so you guys can see everything, but shit, I'll let it work. So, and the next thing, when it comes to picking up the food, sometimes when you go there, the food may not be ready, so you might have to wait like a, you know, little 3 to 5 minutes, which is cool. But if you wait excessive time, then you could cancel the order and call Uber and still get paid for the food, because the merchant, which is, you know, the restaurant, they took too long. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when I reach to the restaurant, because I can't hold the camera and drive. Safety first, kids. Alright, so right here I just reached my location, so time to get out the vehicle and go pick up their food. So let's do it.
God, my boy, he's a fly snicker, right?
Alright, bro. Yeah, thanks. So that was cool or whatever. So let me go pick this Uber up. So first thing first, you go, you ask for the person's name. So let's see what happens. Excuse me. I have an Uber pickup for Max. Max?
Yep, there you go.
There you go. Thank you. And picked it up just like that. And after I picked it up, you just go to the app and you click the name and start delivery. And then there's 9 minutes away. So deliver the food, and I'm gonna show you guys the word after that. Hold on. Let me get in the car. This order is 9 minutes away. Start. Alright. And that's that. So I'll get back to you when I drop the food off. Alright, so I just reached to the customer location. I'm gonna call the customer and get them on side because, yeah. So, oops, can't see their number. His name is Max.
Hello?
Hello, how you doing, Max? This is Uber Eats. I'm outside. Alright, buddy, see you. Alright, so Max said he's coming now. Yeah, Max somewhere over there. So I'm gonna bring the food to Max. Max.
Yep.
There you go, bro.
Thanks a lot, boss. Appreciate
Bro,
it.
take it easy.
Take care.
All right, so that was Max. Max got his food. But one more thing, I'm not finished as yet. I have to go back to the app now and mark that it was delivered. So swipe up, right? And at the bottom it says swipe for delivery. So swipe for delivery, and it should show how much I made here for this trip. Okay, so one trip completed. Alright, well, it's not showing how much I made for that one trip. I didn't show, okay, but normally it would show up like after, I guess, the system reboots. Okay, so I made $3.30 just from that single trip alone. So as you guys can see, look, I'm getting another order right now. Another one. This one is 10 minutes away. But I'm not gonna do this one right here, so I'm gonna just decline it. Decline, and I'm just gonna come off mine. Alright, so as you guys could see, that, you know, some trips, you know, you can get $3.50, $4.50, $6, $10, $8, whatever it may be, and you know, tips may be included, because that's just the raw $3.70 I just got from this delivery. But you know, he could always tip me probably like a day after, 2 days after, right now if you want to, or I get no tip. You know what I mean? So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys enjoy it, if you guys want more video about Uber Eats, you know, how much I pay for gas and etc., leave me a comment below, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day and enjoy. Bye.